everyone, this is Mrs. Clark here, your librarian. There are 3 books I'm going to tell you about that are available for checkout in the library today. The first book is called Hudafru. Written by Hudafru, aka Huda F., this cheeky, hilarious, and honest graphic novel asks the question everyone has to figure out for themselves. Who are you? Huda and her family just moved to Dearborn, Michigan, a small town with a big Muslim population. In her old town, Huda knew exactly who she was. She was the hijabi girl. But in Dearborn, everyone is the hijabi girl. Huda is lost in a sea of hijabis, and she can't rely on her hijab to define her anymore. She has to define herself. So she tries on a bunch of cliques, but she isn't a hijabi fashionista, or a hijabi athlete, or a hijabi gamer. She's not the one who knows everything about her religion, or the one all the guys like. She's miscellaneous, which makes her feel like no one at all, until she realizes that it'll take finding out who she isn't to figure out who she is. This is a fun, witty, and quick read. The next book is Look Both Ways. From the amazing author Jason Reynolds, who wrote Ghost, comes this novel told in 10 blocks, showing all the different directions kids' walks home can take. This story was going to begin like all the best stories, with a school bus falling from the sky. But no one saw it happen. They were all too busy. Too busy talking about boogers and stealing pocket change, talking about skateboarding, wiping out, and braving up, executing complicated handshakes and planning escapes. These kids were busy making jokes, finding comfort in each other, and mostly being entrenched in their walk home from school. This book contains 10 stories, 1 per block, about what happens after the dismissal bell rings, and brilliantly weaves them into one wickedly funny look at the detours we face on the walk home and in life. This is one of our Young Hoosier books for the year. If you're looking for a comical read, this may be a great pick for you. The last book I'll tell you about is Love and Gelato. A summer in Italy turns into a road trip in this story filled with romance, mystery, and adventure. Lena is spending the summer in Tuscany, but she isn't in the mood for Italy's famous sunshine and fairy tale landscape. She's only there because it was her mother's dying wish that she get to know her father. But what kind of father isn't around for 16 years? All Lena wants to do is get back home. But then Lena is given a journal that her mom had kept when she lived in Italy. Suddenly, Lena's uncovering a magical world of secret romances, art, and hidden bakeries. A world that inspires Lena, along with the ever-so-charming Ren, to follow in her mother's footsteps and unearth a secret that has been kept for far too long. It's a secret that will change everything Lena knew about her mother, her father, and even herself. If you're looking for a romance read for Valentine's Day, this Young Hoosier book may be the book for you. If you're interested in any of these books, they'll be available for checkout at the circulation desk when you visit the library today. Be sure to snag a copy and have a great day!